Hello and welcome back to Dorset Dreamer. So today we are at a Montacute house. It is near Sherborne area, and yeah, we've just arrived. I'm here on a solo camping trip, and just thought we'd have a look around. So we're gonna have a look around the house first, and I'll see you in there. The horse is alright then. You wouldn't believe an elephant if someone described it. He's wearing the same. Yeah, true. He's wearing the same jacket that I was wearing when he was the fashion of the day, wasn't it? Mummy was on there, but Marley, have you seen the gold table? No, he's been just like this gold table.
Was always considered a better flooring than oak because it had a nicer pattern and if you spilt wine on it, it would stay. And all floorings, older the flooring, the bigger the plank. It does creak a bit, but you're standing on the same floor as the best guest in 1600.
Have you found any of these yet?
Gestures of support are so valuable and enable us to do the research and the conservation on these nationally important cultural items, so vital to our history and our culture.
Okay, so that's the last of the house. Let's go and have a look at the gardens.
So they would have had a floor for someone, sleeping in.
Somebody said to me the other day that the sound of gravel when they're watching my videos was like ASMR. So to me it's just a bit annoying hearing the gravel, but she really liked it. So here's this gravel for you. Oh, it's beautiful here. Perfect day for actually today. It's a bit cloudy, but still warm, and yeah, just really nice. So my camping tonight, I'm just doing the one night. It's near Sherborne, small little site, and I love camping, especially on my own actually. I know that sounds really probably quite boring, but I'm not one of these that I don't mind being on my own. In fact, I quite like being on my own. I think there's a lot to be said actually for being happy and content by yourself. I know everyone's different, and yeah, that's just me. I'm quite happy. Don't need a load of people. I'll shut up now and let you enjoy it. Lovely little forest. The view of the house. See, now look at this entrance to the house. It's so long. Okay, I am just going to finish this little vlog with a lovely cup of coffee. I'm doing quite a lot of walking. I didn't show you all the gardens. They're lovely. So that nice long walk. I might do this as a separate vlog. I might do the camping in a separate one. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do yet. But yeah, I think I'm going to have to start having a bit of a flare. I don't know if I've mentioned I got fibromyalgia, and I think there's some other things going on as well. And yeah, I think it's starting to kick off. So we're just going to see how the time goes, and yeah, go from there. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you again soon. Mwah!